Welcome students again. Geography lesson number 4, climate. Our next topic is factor affecting India's climate. There are so many factors which affect the climate of India. First is altitude, second is latitude, pressure and wind system, jet stream, cyclonic disturbance, distance from the sea, relief, oceanic current. So these are the major factors which affect the climate of India. Let's start from first, altitude. What is altitude? The angular distance of place north or south of the earth equator, that is known as latitude. Second is altitude. What is altitude? The height of an object or point to the sea level. Then next is pressure and wind system, in which pressure and surface winds came, upper air circulation came, western cyclone disturbance came, tropical cyclone came. Next is jet stream. What is jet stream? Jet streams are fast blowing narrow air currents found in the atmosphere. Narrow belt of high altitude is known as jet stream. Then next is cyclonic disturbance. The western cyclonic disturbance are weather phenomena of the winter month brought in by the westerly flow from the Mediterranean region. Next is distance from the sea. Increase its moderate influence, decrease, and people experience extreme weather condition. So this is the meaning of these words. Now once again, what is altitude? Altitude means equator. Altitude means equator divided our earth into two parts. Equator divided our Indias into two parts. Let's start with the help of diagram. This is the map of India. East side, west, north and south. So this is equator. Equator passes at the middle of the India. In the north side, run of Kutch, and in the east side, Meghalaya. So when the equator divided our earth into two parts, upper part means northern part is known as northern hemisphere and southern part is known as southern hemisphere. But what is the role of equator at latitude? Let's understand here. This is our earth and this is equator. As we move away from the equator to the pole, which pole is here? Here is north pole and here is south pole. Here is south pole. This is equator. As equator divided up to when we went to the north pole, the temperature decreases. So this is latitude. Second is altitude. Altitude means as we move up at the high altitude, mean Himalayas. Here is lie Himalayas. Himalayas mountain. Its height is above 4,000 meter high, and Himalayas are covered with snow. So as we move up to the height, what happened there? Temperature decreasing and atmospheric become less dense. So as we move, this is our earth, and we move up to the here, this is our sea level. As we move up to the height, the temperature decreases here. Then next part is pressure and wind system. Those wind which blow at the surface, they are pressuric wind. They have the pressure and that increase the temperature of the earth. Upper air circulation also affect the climate of India. Then next is jet stream. Jet stream are fast blowing narrow air currents found in the atmosphere. Then next is distance from the sea. Let's again we discuss this with the help of the map of India. This is peninsular India. The three sides covered with the ocean. Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean. So these three seas lie in the peninsular India. The wind that blow from here mean southern India to upper part of the North India that change the climate of India. Mean when these winds start blowing from ocean, surface of the ocean or near of the ocean and reach in the northern hemisphere, they dry up and increase the temperature of northern India. So next topic is relief. Which factor came in the relief? Mountain, altitude, valley and areas of one place. They also affect the climate of India. Next is ocean current. Ocean current play very important role in the coastal areas people's life. They change their life into two ways. One is they influence the fishery and they also influence the climate. So students, we read factors affecting the climate of India. Thanks. Stay home, stay safe.